For this one pose yoga practice, come to lie down on your back, either on the floor or in bed. Make sure the shoulders are lined up with the hips. Bring the soles of the feet together and let the knees open up to the sides. You can bring a pillow underneath each of the knees or a yoga bolster. If your lower back feels uncomfortable, even with props added here, you could add some pillows underneath your upper body as well so that you're at a little bit more of an incline. Take a few more moments to make any final adjustments. Make sure you're as comfortable as possible. If you'd like, you can cover yourself up with a blanket. The hands can rest alongside the body, or you could bring a hand to the heart and a hand to the lower belly. You can keep the eyes open or closed. Let go of all effort. Let every muscle in your body relax. And now bring your attention to your breath. Soft, effortless, and easy, in and out through the nose or the mouth, whichever feels more comfortable. See if you can get the exhales to be just a little bit longer than the inhales. Breathing so that the breath travels all the way down to the lower belly, the pelvis. And those smooth, long exhales allow you to relax a little bit deeper and a little bit deeper. finish one last cycle of breath here. Now straighten the legs out in front of you. And whenever you're ready, take your time getting up. Be gentle with yourself. Be gentle with your body. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste. Now head over to santoshaspirit.com for full-length yoga classes, training plans, courses, and more.